Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm about to show you guys what my house looks like sometimes. I'm not sure that I've shown it like this before. No, I have. But this is what it looks like sometimes, most times in the morning after I get the kids off to school. I just did like my skincare and I was about to get ready for my day. I'm wearing my It's Because I'm Capricorn shirt. My birthday is in 2 days. I'm a Capricorn if you did not know that. So let me show you around what it looks like. I'm gonna do a really fast speed clean to get this all picked up before I have to pick up the kids from school and also make myself something to eat. I do also want to make my pineapple ginger juice. I'm gonna see if I can get that all done before I have to pick up the kids. This is the entryway. Couldn't find a shoe this morning, so all the baskets are out. I couldn't find my keys, so this is what the couch is looking like. This happens often. This is what my room looks like right now. Then into the kitchen. Not too bad. I had to pull this entire drawer thing, this drawer organizer out to also look for my keys. They were not in there. Pan left out from the kids' lunches that I made this morning. Cleaning cloths on the floor. I need to bleach this sink. I did not bleach it last night. Put away these dishes. Okay, my batteries are in here. I need some extras and also my adapter. Pretty sure I've mentioned this before, but anytime I'm getting ready, I make a huge mess, and I think I passed that down to my kids. Let one of y'all be charged. If it turns green, then we're good. It's not turning green.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come on, little.
Okay, so now I'm gonna make myself something to eat. I just did like a really quick speed clean, put the couch back together, tidied up the areas that needed to be. I spent like 2 to 3 minutes on each area, so definitely a speed clean. I know sardines sound disgusting, but there's this really beautiful woman that I follow on TikTok. I forgot her name, but she's really, really pretty. And she has beautiful skin. So she suggested sardines, and I've been eating sardines for a while now, and I definitely see a difference. Like, my skin is always glowy. Also, you guys know that I drink my pineapple ginger turmeric juice, so that helps a lot. And of course, I go to the dermatologist regularly, and I use tretinoin every single night. Thank you, June's Journey, for sponsoring this part of my video. The kids and I have been loving this game. It's a hidden object 1920 style mystery game. Each scene has a storyline, and all the clues lead up to June solving her sister's murder and revealing some family secrets along the way. Sultan wanted to decorate our mansion and garden island, so I let her do that. And we take turns finding objects. Like anytime we don't have anything to do or just some free time, we start playing. This was after dinner later in the evening. I'm on chapter 3 so far. I'm excited to solve the mystery. I love games like this. I'll have all the links in my description for you where you can download June's Journey for free and tell me what you think.
Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we
But yeah, I used to eat sardines when I was younger. My dad loves sardines, and Emir, he also loves sardines. Ruby and Sultan are like, that's disgusting, it smells, get it away from me. For the sardines, I do a plain bagel, the sardines, and then the guacamole on top with hot honey drizzled and some sesame seeds. That's exactly how I do it.
Sounds like I wanted to go.
Pause. I don't have any hot honey. I'm about to make some. It's really easy.
Baby, I believe, even if I try so hard, nothing's ever enough, even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try.
Now that I got the kitchen all cleaned up, I'm going to quickly clean this guest bathroom. I'm just spraying bleach right now. I'm gonna let that sit and then start folding the laundry that I have on the couch.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it. Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow.
This was the next day. I don't often get the chance to fold all of my cleaning cloths because I'm constantly using them, but I didn't have much cleaning to do. I think I had like 4 that weren't here that I used to wipe off the counters earlier. So I'm just going to fold these all up and put them where they belong. So I feel like I haven't spoke in this vlog really at all. I had to hurry up and clean up the house yesterday because Ruby was having company and we were just like scrambling all over the place like you guys saw. But now I just got done folding up my cleaning cloths and putting them where they belong. I was on the phone with my girlfriend, so I didn't want to like cut her off. We were in the middle of a serious conversation, so I was talking to her for the past couple of hours. Now I'm going to make the kids something to eat and myself. Actually I ate not that long ago, but I'll probably just eat it later. I'll show you guys how I make that. It's gonna be in the air fryer, of course. You guys know I always use my air fryer because it's so easy and it always comes out good. I'm gonna clean off the countertops a little bit just because it's still messy from this morning and this afternoon. I'm in my office right now editing the vlog and I did not close it out, but that is it for this vlog. I was gonna mop because Ruby did steam mop yesterday, but she didn't do a very good job. But I'll save that for a cleaning video. Tomorrow I'm gonna be filming my morning routine for you guys, so look forward to that. I also have a lot more videos coming out this week and next week, so but that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. Thanks again to June's Journey for sponsoring this video. Remember, the link is in my description and I will talk to you guys in the next one.